welcome or welcome back to 4F Beauty. When will I be YouTube famous? I don't know. If you're thinking, girl, you're not looking so fresh, that's because it's 11 o'clock at night and this makeup has been on for 12 hours. Now, if you've watched my evening skincare video, which if I remember I will link in the description box, you will know I love this Avon eye makeup remover, so much so this is I think my second or third bottle and I've got 2 more bottles in reserve for when I run out. And you know I love my Garnier micellar water for taking off my makeup. But when I was having a bit of a peruse around Superdrug's website, because I love their vitamin E facial spray that they have. It's very similar to Fix Plus, because Fix Plus isn't a setting spray. Fix Plus won't extend the wear of your foundation. Fix Plus is a hydrating spray, so it blends all of your powders in together, and just it gives you a nice fresh look. And if you use it during the day, obviously it freshens the face up again. And I love the Superdrug Vitamin E range. I've got, I think I've got their under eye cream and I've got the facial spritz, and I did use the face cream as well for the evening, but I've since gone to my tattoo cream that I use. But I saw this. Now this is a dual phase cleansing oil with vitamin E. Rich in natural vitamin E, high in antioxidants, defends the skin against environmental damage. Now it says for normal to dry skin, and mine is oily combo. But I do like cleansing oils for taking my makeup off of an evening. It says here, vitamin E dual phase cleansing oil is specially formulated to gently but effectively cleanse away impurities and helps remove makeup and mascara in one easy step, leaving skin feeling clean and soft. Enriched with naturally sourced vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that will help shield your skin against environmental damage and premature skin aging by combating the harmful effects of free radicals. Raw. Dermatologically approved. It's been a long day, folks. Directions for use: shake well, mixing the 2 phases together, and then disperse immediately onto a cotton wool pad. Wipe gently across the face and neck to remove makeup and impurities. For eye makeup removal, use a clean cotton wool pad and sweep over closed eyelids. Superdrug recommends using this in conjunction with other products from a trusted vitamin E range. So, as you can see, at the moment the 2 levels are very much separated. So let's give them a shake while I grab some cotton wool pads. There we go, look. Oh, that's cute. Take it off and then you've got a flippy lid thing underneath. Let's just soak into that pad there, and let's see how good this is at removing. I suppose I really ought to put my hair back out of the way, shouldn't I? At removing my makeup. It feels really nice actually, and it smells like the rest of the vitamin E range. So if you smelled any of the other products from that range, you know, if you've got the hydrating spray, for example, it smells the same as that. This is doing really well so far in removing foundation and everything. Obviously I'm going to use, as they suggested, a separate pad for my eyes, but you can see it's taken all that much off, so fold the pad in half, go over it again, This really does feel nice, I will admit. It feels very, I don't know whether it's because it's an oil, but it feels moisturising. I suppose that would make sense, wouldn't it, really? More coming off on there. As you can see, it settles back into its two layers very quickly. So, here's the big test, because on my eyes at the moment, let's zoom you in, I have got concealer, coty powder, slush palette, blush tribe loose pigment, highlighter, eyeliner, and a waterproof mascara. So, let's just see how well this does. Again, I put, and I tend to do this when I'm using it on my eye, just pat it across, just so that it doesn't get anything in my eye itself. Wow. Okay. This is pretty effective, folks. Unlike that girl on the that's doing the rounds on Twitter at the moment that went, look, I am actually removing my makeup. Fold the pad in half, just run it across again. So I can feel that I've still got some mascara on there. And let's do the other eye. It's not stinging on my eye at all. And as a contact lens wearer, my eyes are actually very, very... Now, this is the point that I'm not going to be able to see you, so if I go off camera, I'm really sorry. As a contact lens wearer, my eyes are very, very sensitive anyway. And a lot of eye makeup removers I can't actually use because they're just too strong. And they actually hurt my eyes. Just, they're either too highly fragranced or just some of the ingredients in them just my eyes don't like. And I'm not getting that with these at all. It's not irritating my eye in the slightest. And as you can see, it's done a pretty good job of removing my makeup. I'm going to grab another couple of cotton pads, and I'm just going to go over my eyes again just to make sure I've got it all off. Because this has always been one of my rules, never ever go to bed with makeup on. I think I've done it a handful of times in 20 odd years. There you go, look, you can see it's doing really well actually, because that Renaissance Flicks eyeliner can be a bit of a bugger to get off sometimes, but this is doing really, really well. I'm really impressed. And as I said, it's feeling very moisturising. Let's zoom you back out again. But it doesn't feel like it's leaving a film on my skin or anything, which I have had with some oil makeup removers. Your skin feels greasy, and you end up feeling like you need to go over it again just to get rid of the grease that is left on your skin. And bearing in mind I've got oily combo skin, so I'm very aware of how grease feels on it. And this just, you can see it's definitely getting deep down and removing all of the the makeup from my face, which is Lush. Now, I do personally like to finish off with a micellar water. That is just personal preference. I know a lot of people don't like using micellar water because for them it feels like it's left like a dry feeling, as if they've used soap. Whether because my skin is oily con or I don't get that, I'm not sure, but it's not something that I find I feel. So to match, I thought I'd get the Vitamin E micellar water as well. And again, it's under the, because their spray thing has got this kind of lid on it. So it's really cute that they're doing that to keep. What does it say about the micellar water? Vitamin E, gentle micellar solution is designed to gently but effectively cleanse away impurities and help remove makeup and mascara, leaving skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Pretty much the same as the other one did, except this has skin conditioning multivitamin complex comprising vitamins A, B, F and H, which combined with horse chestnut extract helps care for dry skin. So that's awesome. It says there's no need to rinse or rub with this one, so that's good. And again, this says for normal to dry skin, but the whole reason that your skin is oily combo is because your body's producing more oils because your skin is too dry. So when it comes to foundations, etc., I obviously go for ones that are formulated for normal to oily skin, because otherwise it won't cope when my natural oils break through. But in terms of skincare, I very often will use products that are normal to dry skin, because I find that it just helps moisturise my skin nicely. Yep, and that gets the last of it off, you see. Perfect. So I am now ready for my nighttime rollering and application of all my different skincare. So that is how these two items have performed. And I think at the moment they might even be on, I don't know if they're, I'm not sure if these were on 3 for 2 or if they were buy one get one half price on the Vitamin E range, but so far gets my seal of approval. Right, I hope you found this helpful, even if it is a bit of a shorter video than ones I normally do. If you did, it would be great if you could hit that like button so I know what kind of videos you're interested in. Comment, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, and when you hit the bell, don't forget to choose all notifications, not just some, because then you'll get told every time I upload another video. And talking of other videos, why don't you pop over and have a look at my full evening skincare routine, because I know you want to know how I'm going to be using this. I just know you want to know. Why deny yourself the joy of listening to me waffle at you again? Alright, that's enough from me for one day. All that remains for me to say is you'll stay fabulous, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.